Hi everyone, it's Miss Erin from the school garden. Happy New Year! I hope everyone had a really great break and got to rest and relax and get ready for a really exciting 2021. I am so excited to be back doing our videos, talking all things gardening, and really wanted to check in with you and talk about our December Green Labs. So let's think back many weeks when Wellness in the Schools chefs and I virtually popped into your classrooms to talk about herbs and how versatile they are, how many different ways we can use them. And we planted some seeds. And I thought, it's been a few weeks now, we probably should check in on how our seedlings are doing. Have you been taking care of them? Have you been giving them the water and all the sunshine that they need? So in my house, I have 2 kids that go to Lou Sutton. So we have 3 pots because they each planted seeds in their class, and I planted some seeds as well. So I thought that I would show you our progress. I also took some pictures of our seedlings as they were growing, and at the end of this video I will link them all together and so you can see them grow over time. So for the very first one, I will show you the seeds that my daughter planted. So it's a little tricky to see in the camera, but can you see how leafy and green they are? So I'm going to try to come in and show you. So this is basil, and her basil has all of their first leaves, and way down deep inside, you'll probably be able to see it better in a picture, they're getting their very first true leaves. So the first true leaves will actually look like the leaves of a basil plant. That's Dylan's. Now I will show you my pot. So mine actually looks a lot like hers. I have a few less baby plants in here because I didn't quite put as many seeds in my pot as she did in hers, and it's okay. These have been living in a sunny windowsill, and I've been watering them about every other day. Just a little bit of water, enough to make that top layer of soil moist. Now, our third one, this pot didn't get any water. It got a lot of sunlight, but not any water. And what do you see? Oh, so these seeds, they didn't sprout and they didn't grow. And you know what? That's okay. Sometimes that's what happens. We get busy, we forget to take care of our little seedlings. But you know what the best news is? If this is something that maybe happened in your home, you have extra seeds. Do you remember that we sent home a couple different seed packets in your garden kits? And if you didn't use those all up, you can always sprinkle some more seeds and then make a reminder to give this time around some extra love and water and sunlight. And if you need any more seeds, you know how to get a hold of me or tell your teacher and we can make sure that you get some. So it's very exciting that we have some growth. I hope you're having some growth. I know that soon we will be sending out the recipe that we talked about during the Green Lab with Chef Kate and Chef Nancy. And the name of that recipe was chimichurri, that fun word. And that's a wonderful recipe that uses the herbs that you grow. You can get some herbs from the store. It's really simple to put together, and I think if you and your grown-up work together, you can create a delicious chimichurri sauce that's delicious on pasta, with meat. You can dip bread in it. There's so many ways that you can use the chimichurri. Hey, I hope you guys have a really great rest of your day. I want to hear and see how your seedlings are growing. If you can snap a picture, or maybe your grown-up can help you take a picture and either send it to your teacher, or you can get a hold of me through your teacher, through the PTA. or even on social media at our Lou Sutton Garden Facebook account, or Lou Sutton Garden Instagram account, or on YouTube here. I would absolutely love to see pictures of your herbs. Have a really great day, guys. And as I say, eat your veggies and try something new. I'll see you guys so soon. Have a great one.